I've said it so many times, it's almost become a running joke in my life. My diet starts tomorrow, for the 57th time this year. I mean, it's like a broken record, and I'm the DJ who can't quite find the right tune. Every Monday, I'm all motivated, thinking this will be the week I finally stick to my diet. I stock up on greens, make promises to avoid the temptation of sweets, and imagine myself transformed into a fitness guru. But by Tuesday, it's more like I'm on a diet with a side of regret for not resisting that office birthday cake. Wednesday rolls around, and I might even believe that the diet is going well. I tell myself, this is it, I've got this under control. But then Thursday shows up and suddenly I feel like I've earned a cheat day. I mean, why not? I deserve it, right?